what's up, what's going on? So today I'm gonna try something new. It's the glass skin makeup look. I've been seeing people doing this trend on YouTube since very long, and I was like, I want to try it, but I'm scared because I'm an oily skin type, so I do not know whether it's gonna last on me or not. And on top of that, the weather here is getting super duper hot and I'm already getting sweaty. So let's see whether this works. I love the way the skin looks, you know, the glowy, hydrated, healthy, slippery skin. That's what it looks like. I love the way it looks, but I never got the push to try it out. But then I was like, let's challenge myself and see whether it works for me, because even if it works for me for 1 or 2 hours, it's fine. So yeah, we're gonna do that today, and I'm going to be using all affordable products actually, because I want you to replicate as well. And if you all want to buy any of this, the Myntra sale is going on, so definitely take advantage of that. So yeah, now let's get into the tutorial. But before going into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload. Okay, now let's get started. So I'm definitely gonna prime, because I'm gonna put all this creamy stuff on my face, and maybe priming might help. You never know. It might at least make it last longer. So I think I'm first gonna apply this liquid highlighter. This is the Master Strobing cream in the shade Nude on my skin. Then I'm gonna mix this with my foundation, and then I'm gonna apply my base. Yeah. Some on my forehead, like just the highest points where I usually apply highlighter, right here. First with my fingers, because I just warm up the product. I think I'm gonna go ahead and again apply the highlighter, like on top now. Ew! 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 Now I'm like super duper shiny. But I'm loving the way my skin is shining. Oh my god. Like, I'm literally loading myself in with highlighter right now, liquid highlighter. Okay, now for blush, I do not want to put much powder on my face. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna take my lipstick. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow as well as my blush. So first I'll apply my blush. This smells so good. It smells like vanilla cookie cream, something like that. It smells. I love the smell of that. See, do you see that? It's so pretty. I'm just trying something new, guys. I'm not seen anything. This particular thing that I'm doing on my eyes, I've not seen it. I'm just like, this may look good, so I'm doing it. Now, before I move on to my eyes and everything, I think I want to finish my face. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna bronze a little bit, and the only bronzer that I have is this particular one from Maybelline. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I want that glowy skin, so I'm gonna take this bronzer, a little bit of this highlighter. Don't worry, this highlighter is not like super duper pigmented, so it's gonna give me that very glowy bronzer look. And I'm just gonna bronze up my face, just a hint. Yeah, I think it worked. You see, it gave me a very healthy glow. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply highlighter. So I'm gonna apply my Maybelline highlighter and glow myself up. Okay, this highlighter is love. And I'm also gonna take the highlighter and apply it on my eyelids. Like, what else can you expect me to do? I'm glowing myself up everywhere, so eyelids it is. Now that I've done my eyebrows, I feel like the only thing that I need, I think that should be set is my under eyes. I think I can do that. The rest of the face is fine. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes. And lastly, I'm just gonna apply mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna finish this look off by applying a lipstick, and this is the Color Sensational Touch of Spice Maybelline Matte Lipstick. Basically, Touch of Spice, very famous shade. Final result. What do you guys think? My opinion is that it looks absolutely beautiful. Like, the way my skin is looking right now is top notch. It drips of glowiness, healthy looking skin. I'll just show you. So this is what it looks like closely. I wish you could just come out of the camera and see in real life how the skin looks. It looks so freaking good. I am loving it. Love it. This is so appropriate to even, you know, wear in parties and during sunlight. Oh my god, you are gonna glow and it's gonna look beautiful. I cannot wait to go out and, you know, see how my skin looks. But right now, I'm super duper happy with how this entire thing turned out. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below, how did y'all find this tutorial, or have y'all tried anything like this before, and what you guys think about it. How long did it last? I'm gonna mention everything in the description box below for how long this lasted on my skin. Even if it lasted for 3 hours, 6 hours, or what happened during the day, I'm gonna write everything in the description box below. And even if it lasts for 3 hours, I'm gonna be super happy because this is gonna be perfect to wear in events and all of that, and I'm gonna glow like a star. So yeah, that's it. And also to shop all the products that I did use in this particular video, as they are all affordable, you will get at a more affordable rate at the Myntra sale. So do definitely take advantage of that. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.